Maritime Idol, we've got Spring Stack.
Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to say to all the contestants that they did a really good job, and the judges here are really going to have a hard time because all of us are really beautiful and we're dressed nice and we're you know. The song I'm singing tonight is a really beautiful song, and it's called Love Story by Taylor Swift, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and I watched stars and stand all balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball game. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little I know. Begging
say that when you do forget words, it makes the hard song, you know, harder to sing the song, and you forgot the words in several places. So is it the line that you just got nervous, or yeah? That's what stage fright is all about, and it's hard to overcome. But you did a good job. The last half of the song was much better. So I'm glad you picked up going towards the end. Just be careful that you make sure that you choose a song that you have practiced a lot, that you don't forget the words. But because you know, the last half of the song was very good. Thank you.
Spring, I think you have an awesome smile. You look amazing. You can't deny that. I love the vibrato of your voice. You have a very beautiful voice. I would just say keep performing any chance you get to work out those nervous jitters. Really, ultimately, that's what it comes down to. Get on any stage you can, doing whatever you can. Thanks.